Everyone, how's it going? I see a lot of folks joining in. Hi. Um, Welcome to Data Hackfest opening ceremony. Feel free to message a hi in the chat. Let me know that you're here and we will be starting in some time. Hello, hi, how's it going? How's your weekend going? What time is it for you? For me, it's around 8:30 p.m. right now. I have to cook dinner after this stream. Hello, hi, how's it going? Okay, should we begin 8:30 here too? That means that you're from India. Hi. It's 10 a.m. here. Hi. Hope you're having a great morning. 8:30. So I see a lot of folks joining from India. Um, okay, let's begin. Let me share my screen. And yeah, welcome to Data Hackfest, which is from October 13 to 15, 2023. First of all, let me give my introduction and get it over with, and then we'll begin. Okay, I see someone whose first hackathon, who has their first hackathon. That's amazing. Uh, Hackathons are a great experience, and I'm so glad that you're joining us here. And I hope you'll have a great time this weekend. Hi, hackers. Hi, Shubhankar. Hello. All the best. Yes. Okay, let's begin. Hi everyone, I'm Deekshita. I'm one of the coaches at Major League Hacking. I am not just a software engineer, I'm also a makeup artist, which makes me creative as well as a techie together. And I absolutely love organizing. That's like a fun fact. I just like to color code and organize things quite a lot, and that's something I do when I want to relax. Um, right now, you are at a hosted by MLS Hackathon. We host these every single weekend to ensure you always have an event to attend to, and we are super excited to have you. Each of our events has a theme, but it is only here for inspiration. And welcome to Data Hackfest. Hi Nish, I am seeing you after quite a long time, I guess. I hope you're the same person that I'm imagining. This weekend, irrespective of wherever you're hacking from, we welcome you to join this event. And with the ever growing landscape of data points from structured to unstructured, we invite you to use it to build your favorite data hacks and work together this weekend. Feel free to hack on whatever you'd like, but focus on making friends and having fun. That's the best part about hackathons. So make sure that you socialize with folks, uh, get to know them, have fun, and just make sure that you're making the most out of this weekend. And starting right now, MLHs are online at all hours to make sure you are successful this weekend. One of us would be online whenever you want to reach out to us, and you can come to us with anything, questions, concerns, or just to hang out. I personally love to talk. Our other MLHs love to talk, so you can just ping us and we'll be there to chit chat with you. Uh, Meet your MLHs, you know me already. We also have Curry and Cecilia who will be online during this weekend. Now, what is Major League Hacking? For people who are new here, we are the global hacker community with over 625,000 hackers just like you. And by being at our event today, you've become a part of this community and won community points for your college, university, or school. Now, how do you win such community points? By attending member events, global hack weeks, and MLH hackathons just like this one. But speaking about global hack weeks, join us at our next Global Hack Week, which is happening very soon, right after this hackathon, starting from 16th of October. And this Global Hack Week has the theme open source. Obviously, Hacktoberfest is here, and I'm super excited to be streaming this Global Hack Week. Now, Global Hack Weeks are like week-long Hackerfest, where we learn, build, share. We have fun events, technical streams, and everything all together. And it's really fun to be a part of them. In order to register for the next Global Hack Week, you can go to ghw.mls.io, and it'll be really fun, I promise. So, what exactly is happening at Data Hackfest? The next 48 hours are jam packed with activities, and we've made sure that you have the best 48 hours. Use this time to learn, share, and make friends. And we have very fun mini events planned for you all throughout this weekend. And all the mini events are my personal favorite. So join us for the ones that's friendly to your time zone. Now I know mini events are really fun and they seem very intriguing, but make sure that you attend only the ones that are comfortable to you and friendly to your time zone, and do not miss your sleep for that. Uh, First of all, we have the Wikipedia races, which will be happening after this stream at around 10 p.m. IST, 9:30 a.m. Pacific time, 12:30 p.m. Eastern time, and 5:30 p.m. UK time. Then we'll have the hacker hangout. You can get to know other hackers, join us on Discord, sit, chat with us, and we'll have fun. This will be on Friday, 6 p.m. Pacific time, 9 p.m. Eastern time, 2 a.m. UK time, and 6:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. I think I'll be awake at 6:30 a.m. Let's see if I am able to join that one. Uh, but we'll have another one which will be more friendly to the Indian Standard Time and UK time actually. So Hacker Hangout to Saturday, 2:30 p.m. Pacific, 5:30 a.m. EST, 10:30 a.m. UK, and 3 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Next, we'll be having Gartic Phone. Gartic Phone is really fun, but I am very bad at it. In the end, nobody's able to understand what I drew personally, but it's a really fun mini event to be a part of. And this will happen on Saturday, 9 a.m. Pacific, 12 p.m. Eastern, 5 p.m. UK, and 9:30 p.m. Indian Standard Time. Next, we'll have another one of my favorite mini events, which is the No Light mini event. Now, this is one event which I stream on every Global Hack Week. It is like a fun front end coding game where you do not have a compiler, you just have an inspiration. Okay, this is one site that I have to recreate. You write the HTML, CSS code of it and submit it in 10 minutes and hope that you were able to create that front end. This will happen on Saturday, 7 p.m. Pacific, 10 p.m. Eastern, 3 a.m. UK, and 7:30 a.m. Indian Standard Time. Speaking of Discord, what else do you need to know this weekend? Hosted by MLH Hackathons, just like this one, take place on MLH Community Discord, and it is where you'll chat, ask questions, and meet the community. Chat with us, let us know whatever is going on, if you need any help, or get all the announcements related to the event. So join us now at discord.mlh.io. I will actually add this link in the chat just right now so that it's easy clickable for you all. Cool. So once you've joined, you have to head to channels and roles, which is available just on top left when you click on Discord. Go there, click on Data Hackfest, and then you'll get access to all the Data Hackfest channels, and that's how you'll be able to see all the announcements related to this hackathon. And let us know you're here so that we can send you swag. Now, this is a really fun part, really intriguing for a lot of folks. Register to this event at hackpy.ac/datahackfest. This was quite a mouthful. Okay. Hmm. Check into this event at hackpy.ac/datahackfest check-in and update your address at hackpy.ac/address so that we send your swag to the right address and do not mess it up. What prizes can you win this weekend? That's a good question. So first of all, we have a category data security and privacy. How can I be a part of it? Innovate something ensuring that there's data security and privacy, which is a really important matter in products that we build these days, and you'll be eligible for this prize. Then we have healthcare data innovation, which basically means improving healthcare using data. And this actually has a lot of scope. You can use a lot of ML models and create disease detecting or something like that. Um, Tools, I would say. It actually really has a lot of scope and a lot of brainstorming to do. I'm really excited about this one. Uh, so basically, all over the prices we have first overall, which will give you a USB microphone. Second overall, a streaming webcam. I really need a new one. Third overall, gaming mouse. Data security and privacy gives you a Node MCU IoT device. That has got my attention now. And the healthcare data innovation prize gives you fitness trackers. Wow, that's so cool. I wish I could participate. And what else is going on this weekend? We have the MLS Fellowship, and the spring program starts 29 January. Now, what is fellowship? It's a 12-week internship alternative. You learn production level skills, make open source contributions, and participate 100% remotely, and our spring sponsors include Meta, GitHub, and Google. So, in order to know more about it, go to hackfee.ac/MLH fellowship and do apply if you do really are into open source. Specifically, right now, it's like Hacktoberfest. How many of you are participating in Hacktoberfest though? I really want to know in case you are. Do let me know in the chat. Anything else I need to be successful this weekend? Yes, we want you to submit a demo and show off your hack and earn this exclusive iDemo sticker, which is just for Data Hack Fest. So only the folks who participated and submitted a demo would be getting this sticker. It's that exclusive. Even I can't get one. But you can if you demo your project and show off what you built regardless of your progress. Basically, I feel like I've heard a lot of folks say that our project wasn't complete, it wasn't like we expected it to, so we didn't submit it at the end. We are just not happy with it. It's okay. Whatever you've built, you've given your 48 hours into something, just make a demo of it and submit it, and you learn something out of it. I have once submitted a demo which did not have an integrated backend, and I just showed it off like, okay, everything is done, and I actually won a prize. So, how do I create a great demo? Include a 2-minute demo video and show us what you built, not just a set of slides, just basically a screen recording of whatever the work is, and include a link to a public code repo. That's really important so that we can see your code and know that what have you built and just check out the code in general. Finally, submit at datahackfest.devpost.com by 10 a.m. Eastern Time Sunday. In case you miss on any of these links or any of the timelines, everything is mentioned on Discord. And on a serious note, MLH hackathons are a safe space for everyone. By being here at this event, you are agreeing to our MLH code of conduct. In case you want to read, go to mlh.io/code of conduct. TLDR, any sort of harassment or abuse is not acceptable. And in case you feel there is any incident or anything you're not comfortable with, feel free to reach out to any of us coaches or active MLHOs. And incidents at mlh.io is another email in case you are not able to reach out to us on Discord. And let's keep in touch. Let everyone know you're here hacking this weekend by using hashtag DataHackFest and at MLH Hacks on all of our social media platforms. And my advice for you is team up and have fun. Hackathons are a great space, fun space, safe space for everyone, and just it's really amazing to be a part of one. Just have fun in general. And we encourage you to use the team building channel to find yourselves a team or teammate. Um, I know some folks might want to participate as individuals at times, but it's really great to have a teammate along with you. And you can find one easily on our team building channels. And hacking time begins now. So we have the TikTok clock running, and you have 48 hours to build something amazing. Questions, concerns, not sure where to begin? Here's live Q&A right now. Feel free to ask any questions, and I am here to answer them for you. Welcome to Data Hackfest once again. I will actually just remove the slide and come here on the screen. Hi. Let me see if I missed any questions, or let me know if I went over too fast on anything. I'll repeat that for you. Okay, so is this in teams or individual? You can participate as an individual or as a team. I would encourage to participate as a team, but again, it's up to you. Hi Yash, yes you're late. I'm sorry. Just yeah, you did miss the starting part, so I'll say you're late. Can you explain the process of the hackathon? So basically, we have 48 hours. Our theme is data. It's Data Hackfest. Feel free to build anything you want to. Theme is just for an inspiration, and we have prizes related to the theme as well. And I think that's pretty much it. Everything will be available on the schedule Make sure that you register, check in, and you'll get to know everything over there. I see Yash had already answered that. Most important question, vanilla or butterscotch? I am getting a deja vu. I think we talked about something. I think we talked something about that. I don't remember exactly. It was in one of the streams. Um, is there an official private chat platform for teammate? I I'm not sure if are you saying that you and your teammate have another private chat on the MLS Discord? Is that something? What do you is that what you mean by this? And not Leela Yash. Oh, nice, very nice, Yash. So we have to submit a presentation. No, you have to submit a demo, a screen recording of your project, whatever you have created. We don't need a presentation. Um, Hi, I'm really new to the hackathon. I don't know where to start. I'm a Flutter developer with 1.5 years of experience. Can I be suggested with some themes? So basically, right now the theme is data, and it's Data Hack Fest, but it's not restricted. You can build anything you want. Uh, be- if you're a Flutter developer, you can use some ML model or some data points and integrate it in one of your apps and make it useful for something. I think that would be a great idea to start from. You can use any APIs which already has some ML model created and just pull it in your Flutter app and create an interface for it. Something like that could also work. Cheese we talked. I know I yes. How did we end up at butterscotch or vanilla though when we're talking about cheese? I remember that in a global hack week while we were doing that. Um, what was that live stream? We did talk about something cheese. I don't remember it. Experience. I understood it as experience only. I'm sorry. I think I did not even check that there was a misspelling over there. Can we go with two members? Yes, absolutely fine. Yash is answering before me though. I still don't understand what exactly needs to be created. Okay, basically, any project related to the theme, related to data, or without data, anything can work. Data is just for inspiration. You can build anything you want. It should be a tech project. It should be a hackathon submission in the end. What would you define as data? For me, if I talk about data, it would mostly be something related to ML models or data points or something like that. I could create a machine learning model for detecting something and then an interface to make it more viable. Probably a website which has something integrated in it. That's what I would assume data to be, and that's where I'll start from in general. I have used a model in an AR app as well, so something like that. I'm quick drawing answers. Yes, you are. Can you suggest some idea? I am new in data. Uh, yeah, so basically, I think Yash has answered it. Data as in data science, but it's really open to your interpretation if you think data is a literal word and make it a game to draw data. So wow, that's actually quite intriguing and a really great approach. Everyone would have a different explanation for what data is and how do they want to approach it. And we are actually looking for that. We don't want the same things to be repeated, and that's why this is a hackathon theme, and it's quite open so that we see your interpretation and your creativity into what you interpret Data Hackfest to be. I hope that made sense. Um, I think I'm having a lot of mouthful words today. uh, Judges love the novelty. Yes, they do. In fact, any of the data science or machine learning developers also love novelty. And the memes, yes, of course. Oh, okay, so we can get weird with it, got it. Feel free to get weird with it, but make sure that you stick to the code of conduct for sure. Are we having another slideshow karaoke? I think we are. I've literally gone through quite fast with these slides, is what I feel today. Um, I don't know. Not sure if I went too quick, but I think I'm used to the slides quite a lot now. So I just rambled on like a radio, I would say. Nah, that's great. Thank you. Okay. I think I've answered all of the questions that were here in the chat. Feel free to ask more of them. I am happy to be here and answer. What was your first dream? Was it in cave number? Yes, it was. I think it was. It was something related to a AI global hack week only, and I had a game which incorporated AI and a machine learning model in it. No, I think. Okay, wait. The AI one was my second global hack week. I built an AR, and my first global hack week stream was to learn game development in Unity. So it was, I think, two or three set of streams, and it included learning Unity. Then I had one stream which also had AR in it. That was the stream where I had a machine learning model incorporated. How would you describe? Uh, how would you describe an ideal or a good demo? Okay, so there's no such thing as ideal or perfect. First of all, a good demo would be a screen recording of your project. Uh, it's literally as basic as a screen recording, and you just narrating what your project does and how it works. That's a cool demo, and that is something I would prefer. If you have more time on your hands and you want to be fun and experimental with it, what I have done in my past hackathons is I create this animated object which is narrating everything, and a screen recording goes right around it. That narrating animated object is basically an animation of me, and I have a voiceover running in the background, and the whole project demo goes on, which is something very creative when I have a lot of time on my hands. Otherwise, just simple screen recording works. I absolutely don't remember. I think yeah, it was, it was an endless runner. It was an endless runner. I guess. No, I don't remember what I created. Okay, I'll have to get back and find out what my first stream was. I am sure it was some game development only and learning how to do game dev in Unity. You do much time. Listen, I love animations and I love game development, so that was like a very very key factor for any of my project demos. And what I used to do was I did the coding part quite early and gave rest of it to my team members that finish it off and just uh, complete it and integrate it with your project. Till the time being, I used to work on the animation and then I used to include the demo and do the whole thing. So basically a day before submission, that overnight when people are awake to integrate their projects and complete the code, I was the one who was creating animations for our demos. So I did have a lot of time on my hands because I used to finish the coding part quite early. Yes, thank you, Yash. Just check out the judging criteria in case you are confused or need some more help. And I start my video like little. I cannot do that. I'll be in like a panic zone. I love playing games built by game devs. Thank you. I am glad you do. I really miss game development though. Ever since I've started my job, I've been so much into Android. I've missed game development. I think I'll pick one of uh, this technical streams in one of the global hack weeks and do game development streaming again. I actually did not. I think I created an itch.io, but most of my games were on no. GitHub only. So I used to stream it from there, and rest of the games were AR applications. So I couldn't stream them on any of these or on itch.io or GitHub because they were applications. So that was a whole different thing. No, I'm not interning. I'm a full timer at Google. I interned last year. I have moved to Bangalore. Have been working full time for more than 3 months now. What are the problem statements or categories? Basically, the theme is Data Hackfest. But in case you want to know the price categories, let me share that with you. Just give me 1 second. Uh, yes, our price categories are right here. We have the first overall, second overall, third overall, and then data security and privacy. If you have anything related to security and privacy using data in your project, you are eligible for this one. And then we have healthcare data innovation, use data to build something innovative in healthcare. Are there any prizes? Yes, these are the prizes right here on the screen. Also, where is the blast? Listen, even I want to know. It's been a while. I'll ask people in the chat on Slack and get back to you. I want teammates who want to join me. I can work in front and path. That's amazing. If you can find people here on the stream, or feel free to use the team building chat or channel on Discord and find teammates. What is the theme of this event, and where can I find all the update and also the highlights of the stream? Okay, I think I have to give a gist of everything. But thanks, Yash, for mentioning it all. Theme of the event is data, and all the updates and everything is available on Discord, as well as you can watch the stream again on YouTube. Okay, I think we'll take like 5 more minutes for more questions, and then end the stream, give you some time before we start our first mini event so that I can actually cook and have dinner as well. I actually got disconnected in the Google answer. Okay, so basically, I moved here more than 3 months ago. I am a full timer, I'm not an intern. I was an intern last year. I've been working full time for, I think it's going to be approximately 4 months next week. Are there any swag like item sticker? Yes, there are. They are available at every hackathon that we host by MLH, and you can get one by submitting a demo. Yay, that's great. Thank you. Gee, it's 9:30 p.m. I am not sure. I think it's 9:30 p.m. It's 9 p.m. here. I really want to have dinner, and first of all, I have to cook it. That's the problem. But I will after this stream. Okay, we'll give it 2-3 more minutes. Feel free to ask any questions which are on top of your head. In case I'm not able to answer any of those, or in case you think I missed out on something, feel free to ask them on Discord. In case you missed to ask something, feel free to just mention it on Discord, tag active MLHs, or raise a ticket if there's anything very specific, and we'll be happy to help you out. Where can I see the problem statement? There's no problem statement, there's a theme data, and you can see everything related to the data hack fest, or any judging criteria, any questions that you have on the links. We have dev post and check-in links. And thanks, Yash, once again. That's for the open source Hackfest, I guess. Just a second. I think if you go to the website, you'll be able to find everything. I will share the link. Okay, I am. You'll find everything related to the event as well as check in over here. I'm definitely. Why? Hacktoberfest is not just for physical swag though. It's also about contributing to open source, and it's a great way to kick off things. So, uh, I don't have time to participate in this one because I've got a lot of work. But if I did, I would definitely be a part of it. Contributing is secondary. Okay. Uh, what should I say? I don't think I can say anything over here. But like I'm that's amazing. If you are that's great. It's basically a good motivation for people to start contributing if they aren't. That's what I love about the Hacktoberfest in general. Um, but yeah, it's good if you're contributing without it as well. I was just about to say something and I forgot. No. I'm not gonna do that. Oh yeah, I was struggling with the laptop right now. I think I'm too used to using Mac. I was literally trying to use all the Mac shortcuts on my Windows laptop, and I was like, no, that's not how it works. Okay, we'll give it 1 or 2 more minutes, and I just love Ashwin's statement: "Come for the swag and stay for the people." Yes, so you did come for the swag last year, na? Now stay for the people. I have one doubt. I did not receive my swag. What should I do? Raise a ticket on Discord so that someone can see your case personally. I am not sure which swag you're talking about, and I may not even know the logistics about it. So someone who actually has idea from MLH would personally take care of that ticket. And also patience. Sometimes it takes a lot of time to get it delivered. So can I mail? I think a ticket would be easier though. But yeah, feel free to mail as well. I stayed for this swag too. What gives the impression I stayed for people? Okay. I am not saying anything new. So do we have to make the entire project ourselves? I was kind of expecting some data set and problem statement already given the name. Basically, see, what you can do is that find something on Kaggle and use that data set. We are giving it as an open-ended statement because we don't want the same things getting repeated again and again, and we want to see innovation in your projects. So if you have any idea, feel free to like pick up something from Kaggle and build something on top of it. That would be great. It's just to have more creativity in the project. That's why we are not restricting you to problem statements or giving you data sets. Okay, that's the answer for you. I did not get last year's swags either. What swags are you talking about? Thank you. I am able. But we don't really have a place to start them. Uh, okay, see. Um, how do I explain this? We are giving you a theme as data, but we are asking you to not restrict yourselves to it and be innovative. So if I give you like three problem statements and three data sets, everyone is going to create a project based on that data set. And the most amount of creativity would be one would create a web interface, one would create a app interface. That's it. But everything would be repetitive because you have a data set which will give you a similar set of functionality and you will build something related to it as well. If I say that the theme is data, we have some prizes related to it. One is healthcare and one is security and privacy. And feel free to build anything. The first thought that will come in my head, being a game developer, is I'll use this data to create some interface inside a game and probably have a game version of healthcare. Right. Now, that is something which cannot come if you give me a data set and say stick to it. I can use a machine learning model API, include it in a game, and gamify the whole concept of healthcare. So that is why we are giving you an open-ended statement that it's data hackfest and feel free to build anything on it. So be creative and have fun. That's completely on you. This is something which is what I interpret from it. It's not necessary that you have to make an interface. You can just have a collab notebook and have something very, very exciting in it, a heat map expressing some data or anything of that sort. Or probably create an API out of it and display it on a website. That would be cool as well. So go with whatever you want. It's nice to be here with an app. Okay, we have a bunch of questions today. What are the skills needed to get intern or job at MLH? There are multiple openings, multiple different ways you can be a part of MLH. You can check the careers website to know more about it. But speaking about MLH coaches, we are basically how do I explain? So basically, we help you organize hackathons, act as an extended organizer, and run hackathons hosted by MLH, do a lot of streams, and basically are the faces of MLH in the community. And okay, I just got distracted by the comment. Okay, so that's what we do, and you need to have good motivation, experience with the community, and be excited enough to be a part of the community and just just apply, and if there's an opening you will definitely get into it because I do Java service confused. If you're a Java developer, that means you do Android. You can create an Android interface and use any API and create something out of it. That's like the first thing that came on top of my head. Deekshita has already been brainwashed against Google's competition. क्या करें? Okay. Listen, I've used Collab during my college as well because my college used to use Collab notebooks in ML, and I had an ML subject every semester. But we also used data sets from Kaggle, so I think I've done both. MLH employees hosting first-party hackathons, very chill people. Thank you. Google has not brainwashed me. Please, I can show you my collab history. I have a lot of Google collab files. I've been working in it for a while now. And anyway, I do not work in any of the collab teams, so that's not something which they can brainwash me about. I'm in the mobile assistant team. What is top 50 MLH? That's like a big question and an amazing one. But you can head to this link, top.mlh.io/2023, and know more about it. I'm not a top 50, and I think it's not something which we can give context about right now in the stream. Uh, you had ML every sem, something related to it, yes. You had basics of Python, machine learning in one way, then there was another data related subject, then there was AI in one of the semesters. It was basically ML in every semester, and whenever there was a time to skip out of it, I did. Listen, Yash, I haven't gotten brainwashed. Please. Hi, new to MLH. Hello, welcome. I am really, really excited to have you here, and I hope you will have a great time. It is necessary to take offline hackathons for top 50 MLH? Uh, Not sure. Hey, when will I get the mail regarding swags of transport hacks? Well, I am not sure you can raise a ticket for it or just wait. Sometimes things are delayed, but you will get that for sure. The opening ceremony doesn't. I am actually enjoying this because a lot of folks are interacting, but yeah, I also need to cook and have dinner. Thank you, Yash, for the rescue. You can mail at shippingquestions@mls.io in case you want to know more. But generally, in case any mail regarding swags, you will get in some time and you don't need to reach out. But just in case you are facing an issue, feel free to do that. Yes, any more questions we can catch up on Discord. Thank you so much, Yash. Uh, I hope you had fun in this opening ceremony. I did. I think I've interacted a lot. And yes, tag active MLHOs and feel free to ask any questions that you need. I will be signing off the stream, but you can reach out, talk to us, hang out anytime you want. Thank you so much for joining. Hope you have a great hackathon and happy hacking. Bye.